Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest meme coins and much, much more. We got Kumamon in the house, mad bullish and mad love. Let's get into it. Alright, guys, we are pushing it and we are rocking it. Let's get it and drop it. We're going to talk about it. We're going to go ahead and talk about the NFTs that are live, and we're going to talk about the latest and greatest. Okay, let's go ahead and drop that link for you guys so you can hit it and you can get it. Okay, let's get you guys rocking. Okay. Alright, so links are inside the Telegram channel, and we are pushing and we are rocking it. Let's go ahead and get with it. We're going to dive into one of the bullish projects. We just had an AMA today that is inside the chat with the recording. You can see that. We are live on YouTube at the same time as Telegram. So I'm going to go ahead and pull over here, and I'm going to pull up right here so you can see us rocking, pushing it. Kumamon in the house. Let me pull you guys up so you guys can get on over here. Make sure that you're on. If you're in Telegram listening right now, make sure you hit the YouTube link and join the YouTube video. Alright. Okay. And if you're here, go ahead and give me a shout in the chat, man. Love and respect. Make sure to hit those like buttons, share, and much, much more. We're going to dive in. We're going to talk about Kumamon, and we're going to talk about the new updated website, and we're going to talk about the NFTs that just went live, and we're going to talk about the staking. Okay, so we have a nice new website set up since the last time that I did the Kumamon video. I just want to say mad love to all you guys that came over there. We had an awesome following, almost 1K on that video. Mad love to all you guys that stopped by and hit those likes. We're going to push this and pump this even further. Let's get with it. New website is all set up, awesome, and it is ready to rock and building. The devs behind the scenes are building. They're building out an awesome D app with the site, with the staking, the NFTs, and much, much more. So from the last video to this video, we have so much more that has happened, and we'll tell you all about it. We just had our AMA today, and as you can see, okay, let me just go ahead and pop down here real quick. So we're over here in the Telegram chat rocking with you guys, okay? And we got our calls, you can see over here, and we had our AMA today. You can actually go over there, and we dropped the recording and we pinned it, so we actually pushed and pumped it and rocked it out. So we had this going, and we actually, it was one of the most bullish AMAs that they had. I made it lovely for you guys, and we all had fun there pushing it. Okay. Alright, so I hope that all you guys are over here joining the links and dropping hashtags inside the video, so I can actually say drop hashtags. Okay, there you go. So there's our hashtags. Drop them in the video. We're going to pump the algorithm, hit those shares, hit those likes, and then we're going to get with it. Let's go ahead and dive right in. New website, nice setup. You know, Kumamon is a smart meme tech token built on the Binance Smart Chain with fundamental focus on DeFi utilities. DeFi, decentralized finance, a DEX. So we have our initial, okay, token, our governance token is Kumamon token. Alright, so this is our launch. We pushed out. We're about a week old. We'll go ahead and take a look at the charts and see how we're moving. Okay, we have a nice little 100k floor. This is a 30-minute chart that we're looking at right here. Perfect time for actually DCA when we're actually right around that 100k floor. It is an awesome time to DCA, and also we'll talk about when we're going to show you the staking. So if you're holding and you're pumping and you're pushing in, get with it. Alright, so you guys can see the contracts and you guys can get into the information. I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'll actually drop this in the chat. Alright, so you guys can go ahead and swing over to that chart, okay, and you can go ahead and watch and follow along with us. Alright, so we have a nice little level. You actually see that we tapped this and then we actually pulled up So we are actually in a nice little, sideways trading consolidation phase as we're building awareness for the project. We had our first official big AMA today, which was mad bullish. It was awesome. I loved it. And a lot of information was put in there, and it will be forwarded again into the chat so you guys can listen. And it was packed with all of the info about the project so you guys can know about us, about the project, where we're going, what the plans are, and much, much more. Okay, let's go ahead down to the shorter term and let's go ahead and see. So look, okay, so we did tap and we actually pulled. All right, besides this, okay, so yeah, not too bad, We hit that. We're right around the 100K level, 53 BNB. Started at 10 BNB added liquidity, and that's where we were at. Okay, perfect time for everybody to get right and get with it. And we're going to show you all the different info as we go along. Okay, so the main website, as you know, about the project. Kumamon token is a cryptocurrency inspired by the beloved mascot character Kumamon, created by the government of Kumamoto Prefecture in Japan. Kumamon is a cute and friendly black bear with red cheeks who has captured the hearts of people both in Japan and all around the world. So this is about positivity, community building, and having respect for one another. Okay, unique branding. Okay, is Kumamon is a recognized character mascot. So usage of this image and this name just shows about the positivity and how we want to build out and continuous growth. Okay, in the cryptocurrency market. All right, price appreciation. Okay, the token will appreciate over time, providing investors with return on their investment. So this is meaning that we just started, we're a week out, we have all these utilities already, and we continue with our weekly plans that you can see inside the chat. Just type in, weekly plans, marketing, and you will see that we have GIF images, JPEG images that show you what our weekly plans are. And we have our team meetings weekly, and I'll also be doing a weekly AMA. I'm going to post that in the chat so that way we can talk and let you guys know the direction. All right, there'll be articles out on Medium where we'll put out the notes from our meetings that we have in admin so you guys can know what we talked about inside our chats for the people that are interested in the project. Because if you invest in something, you need to know about it. You need to know what's going on, how it's happening, where it's going, and where it's at. High demand. Okay, Kumamon is has a big following in Japan and internationally, and his fans will be interested in owning a token associated with him. So being associated with the character is actually bullish because it's a meme token, and we're going to build out DeFi utility, and the branding will bring in people to us as building out on the Binance chain where we originally have launched. Okay, Kumamon coin for the win. The slogan suggests that investing in Kumamon coin is not only potentially profitable, but also fun and exciting, appealing to those who may be hesitant to enter the world of cryptocurrency due to its perceived complexity or seriousness. The phrase "for the win" implies a competitive spirit and a desire to come out on top, further emphasizing the potential benefits of investing in KumaCoin. Overall, this slogan seeks to position Kumamon Coin as a fun, trendy, and potentially creative investment opportunity. Okay, so you want to know about the supply and distribution, and we're going to talk about this, and this is how it is set up. The fees right now are 4% on buy and 10% on sell. The 10% sell is going to be for the first month of the project, the first 30 days. And the reason for that is we want to build a price floor because we want to build long term. We don't want to have, people coming in and cheating out on the project because this is a long-term utility project, and we will be continuously building with updates and much, much more. So every week we will have plans for our marketing, our AMAs, our Twitter pushes, Twitter influences, okay? Pushing the algorithm, as you can see on our Twitter page. You can follow the Twitter page. I'll actually drop that also too inside the video. But as you can see, we're already up over 5K. All of our pinned tweets and messages, we always get love and likes, okay? And we have retweets and posts about our AMA. We got a live billboard going on right now, okay, as you can see. And that is for the hype and for people to see and just to get that image in so people know that we are out there. So the more that we do different different projects, different AMAs, and we continue with shilling and rating and contests in the group, that will get people aware of this project. And when they come in the chat, they can get to meet us and know how bullish we are and how much transparency there is in the project. We had a big official first AMA. It went off excellent. I love it. A lot of information. You got to go listen to that one, man. They said it was one of the best ones they've had yet, and there's going to be much more to come. Okay, the NFTs are live. That's something we want to talk about. This is a big thing that is happening. Okay, so we talked about the fees and the breakdown of why. Initial supply 1 billion, 85% added to initial liquidity, 10% has been burned, and 5% for the treasury. The treasury is going to hold the tokens, and then as we grow throughout the dexes in the DeFi, we'll be able to utilize the treasury in order to stake and also get stable with stable coins to build more finances to give back rewards into the community and build and develop. So it's definitely a bullish thing that's happening over there. You got our roadmap. So you got our phases on our roadmap. We actually have accomplished some things faster than we were expected, but we're building community right now. Contests and giveaways, social media marketing. Like I said, we're pushing across all the different socials. Contract audit, you can go ahead and see. If you go ahead and look down, we had a bunch of different calls happen on Twitter. You can go over there and you can hit those likes and retweets and love it, and you can see that we had our audit report, which is excellent. Okay, as you can see, the audit report went off without a hitch. Definitely low, no risk, awesome, full audit report as you can see there. And that's posted full transparency. Plus we have our different communities depending on where you are at in the world. Okay, so what we want to touch on and what we want to tap on here is staking. So basically all you have to do is on the home page, you're going to connect your wallet, okay? And then once you connect your wallet, you go to dApps and you go to stake, okay? So you need to be staked for a week, okay? And then that is the time that it needs to be held, and the timer is here. So when the timer runs out, there'll be no penalty fee. The APR will fluctuate depending on how much rewards are put back into the pool and how much rewards are earned and pushed through the pool, okay? And you'll be able to claim and restake your tokens. So this has been live. This is good. We actually got this out, and this is definitely bullish. If you buy into the project, why not stake it? But make sure that you leave a little bit of tokens in your wallet, okay? So that way we have the holder count, okay? So you can see the holder count inside the contract, okay? So we have 624 addresses, which is actually pretty bullish, okay? Number 3 is the contract for staking, and you can see and look into that contract, and then also talked about the treasury and other stuff, and that's where the holdings are from. So definitely you can get into and read that and see everything that's going on into it. We read the contracts, and make sure you get up over there and get into the comment section and drop some comments and rock out, so you can actually start the discussion. You can actually make your comments and much more. And as you can see, the trades are rocking out, pushing out. Look, 8,606 transactions so far across the BNB blockchain. All right, so that's staking. And inside the Telegram chat, when you type in staking, there is a step-by-step instructional video on how to do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the NFTs. Look at this. Each one NFT is only 0.05 BNB, so that's like 16 bucks right now, okay? Every time an NFT is minted, 50% goes back to the holders, and it's spread across the holders, okay? and that's where you get your rewards, okay? And then 50% is put into the buyback and burn and marketing, okay? And the bullish thing about this is it's put into the contract as BNB, and so when you claim your rewards, that puts buy pressure because that BNB for your rewards buys the Kumamon and sends it to you. So definitely get in early, because the earlier you get in with your NFTs, and as more people buy, okay, the more funds that you'll gain. Think about it, okay? It's a numbers game, all right? So you want to be able to get in while you can. And it is very simple. All you got to do is just come over here. You select how many NFTs you want to mint, and you hit mint, and you approve it in your wallet, okay? So definitely a bullish thing. At the bottom here, we got our homepage, we got our Twitter page, and our Telegram, okay? So make sure to swing by the Telegram page, okay? And we will be in the Telegram. Shout out to you guys. Okay, so after this YouTube video, everybody that was over here joining and rocking out, we got something special that we're gonna push out and let you guys see what's popping and what's going on. We had our AMA, which was over here, okay, and let's see, do they still have it posted? We actually moved the post into another group, and then we actually are dropping the information here. Go ahead and hit that and join. Mad love and respect for you guys. Come over to the Telegram channel. We are growing. We love it. We have all day. There's somebody there rocking out, pushing, and pumping for you. Okay? Mad love to that. Kumamon. Okay, this is the information, the white paper. Okay, we talked about the whole project. Now I want to talk about the utilities, okay? Swap, it's a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain, okay? And that's designed to facilitate fast, secure, low cost. So there will be a Kumamon swap, and there'll be more pairs, okay, as we grow. So just think about it. Expansion as we grow, and more pairs across the blockchain. Okay, so this is definitely bullish, and you'll find out more and more information as we go about this. Kuma staking. So staking's live. I showed you the staking and I explained it to you. There is a how-to video also that is posted in the Telegram chats, and it shows you exactly how to do that. And just like I showed you over in the website on the D app, very simple to be able to do. Staking is a easy way to earn passive income. So as the amount and the price of the token appreciates, it'll be worth more, thus in turn giving you more tokens in the long run. Okay, so that is definitely a bullish for that. The NFTs, we talked about the NFTs. Okay, so right now the NFTs, you'll be able to mint them, and we'll that utilization is split like we talked about, and how the rewards are coming out and how they're being sent out to you guys. Next is going to be NFT staking. So you'll be able to take your actual NFT and you'll be able to stake it, which is awesome. Okay, NFTs can be bought, sold, and traded on various marketplaces. So right now over on OpenSea, you can view your NFT. Okay, Kuma AI is going to be an AI built, and it's going to be able to utilize through our contracts, pushing, building volume, and building into the utility, and being able to help us manage the project. So we are going to be building out this utility, building on Binance, okay, pairing with more different liquidity pairs, so that way we build a bigger price floor, okay, rocking out on the price charts, okay, and as you see, we're sitting right there, 53 BNB, about 17K in liquidity, market cap at 92K. You know, perfect times to ladder in and also to get your DCA going. All right, make sure that you swing by and you hit that homepage and you look through and you read through, do your own research, and rock out. Go ahead and follow the Twitter page. Get over there so you can get all the information. Make sure to follow it. Hit those retweets and likes, because there's definitely opportunities for you guys. And also, don't forget to stop by my Twitter page, because I will be pinning and rocking out and pushing out different charts, different posting, different information for you guys, and much, much more. You guys can go ahead and smash those pages, and we will put that into the description and more. Mad love we got out. Shout out to you guys joining and coming in and also liking. Don't forget to smash the like, and you can also get a hold, because I will be putting all information to also in my private chat, and our team is working hard behind the scenes. Okay, so you are at one of the hottest, latest, and greatest meme coins right here. So guys, mad love and respect to all you guys. Make sure to stay